puntos with under 3 minutes to go in the second quarter. Here's Simon. Spins. Handoff. Pingris. Sayang. Nice move there by Pingris and Simon. Meantime, here's Artadi over to Tubit. Tubit against James Yap. And here's Tubit on the move. Floater is no good. Pingris with the rebound.
Pero ganda ng screen na sineto ni Billy Mamaril. You know, Barangay Ginebra really likes to use that pick and roll. And this game so far, that pick and roll on and off because their wing guys who are shooters can't seem to make that outside shot.
Timeout muna tayo dito sa Big Dome with 2:08 remaining in the first half. Pure Foods on top. NBA action at tulad ng aming inaasahan ay nandito nga sa loob ng Big Dome si Mrs. James Yap, the one, the only Chris Aquino. Dala-dala ang kanilang sweet baby James. Of course, ito ang kanilang pinapanood, si Ginoong James Yap. Marunong palang tumupad sa usapan nito si James. Sinabi niya, manunood. Ang kanyang pamilya, dala-dala si baby James. Natuloy. And he's true to his word. Okay.
Napahirapan sigurado siya.
102 minutes. 2 minutes to go in the first half. And here's Meng. And he scores. Pinaghirapan yun ni Eric Meng.
After itong Barangay Ginebra got us close to 8 points, that is their next basket. So again, Barangay Ginebra, uphill battle once again. Now a different look for them dahil pumasok na nga ito si Eric Meng.
Simon. Here's Raimundo. 6 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. 4 to shoot. Kirby na malamang titira nito. Separation and basket is good.
You see that separation that we talked about, that one bump, nawala ito si Rafi Rivas and could not go up to block his shot. You know, that was a big basket because that was right at the time na nagka-shot clock hit 24.
9 points para kay Raimundo. Under a minute to go in the second quarter. Artadi finds Tubit. Tubit tumira ng 3. Yes sir, TF3 for Ronald Tubit.
16th time that Barangay Ginebra has taken a 3-point shot. That is the 4th make. But the good thing is, all those makes have come dito sa ating second quarter. So slowly but surely, yung mga shooter nila, nakikita na ng maigi ang ating ring.
And Dolong now, pero 8 na lang itong abante ng Pure Foods, 46-38 from a high of 19 points. Bagamat paubos na ang oras dito sa second quarter. Here's Roger Yap. Inatrasan, Paul Artadi. And Eric Meng gets the rebound. And here's Artadi on the move. Artadi fires and scores!
Paul Artadi really liked it.
This is the new Paul Artadi.
Hindi mo dati makikita yan na magda-jump stop at the top of the free throw line on a fast break situation. He has his confidence back. Obviously, Coach Jongy Chico is also showing him a lot of confidence.
And it's just a 6-point ball game. And here's Simon. And you know, Simon has been a thorn on Ginebra's side magmula nung siya'y pumasok sa larong ito.
Foul number 16, Paul Artadi. That's his first whistle.
Get lightning. Look what he got from Santa, an outside shot. No, but you know, Artadi, that was his game when he was in UE. He really was a player who thrived on energy, and he would take the pop and stop.
You know, that pop and stop, if you're that quick, if you have that shot, you're unstoppable in a fast break situation because ang bumabantay sa'yo, he's already on his heels and obviously running backwards. Running forward, hindi mo na mahabol. Running backwards pa kaya.
Oh, teka muna. Ronald Tubit and Mark Pingris. Sandali lang. Bumagsak. Oy, teka. Ito, kailangan awatin. Pingris at si Pingris, talagang nag-iinit ang ulo rito. Pingris, this is happening in front of the Ginebra bench. And Pingris has to be restrained.
Well, looking at Mark Pingris, pero mukhang tinamaan siya dun sa napakaselang bahagi ng katawan nito si Ronald Tubit and Ronald Tubit in the opposite end of the court.
Ano ba nangyari doon? Dahil ang nakita natin, bumagsak si Pingris at si Ronald Tubit. And then when both gentlemen were getting out of their seat, ayan na, nagtuturuan na sila. May technical foul si Mark Pingris.
And obviously Ronald Tubit doesn't get anything. Eto, tingnan natin. I used tumama sa ilalim yung paa. Pagkabagsak nito si Ronald Tubid, his foot flew up and that foot hit the bottom part of ito si Mark Pingris.
Technical free throw for JJ Helterbrand.
Tawag yata dun accidentally hit by design. Kaya di natuwa itong si Mark Pingris.
You know, a couple of guys already carrying one technical foul each. And they have to be careful because you don't want to be out of this Christmas Day game dahil lang sa mga technical fouls.
Teka muna, wait a minute.
30-second time on Barangay.
30-second time at ang Ginebra dito because we have 6 seconds remaining in what has been a very interesting first half in this Christmas Day showdown between Pure Foods and Ginebra. So we are hanging on. At tingnan natin kung mapakinggan natin itong huling plano ng Ginebra. Sa Biyernes, December 28, we'll be back here in the Big Dome for our doubleheader. Ito ang ating pre-New Year session. Santa Lucia against Wellcoat, Magnolia against Air 21. And we'll start things off with Astig PBA. Yan ang ating PBA Friday, December 28, which will be our last PBA day for the year, 2007. And that's going to be the last shot of the first half.
At that time, it is 48.
Magtatapos ang ating first half with Pure Foods on top. 48-41. Lamang po ang Pure Foods laban sa Ginebra dito sa pagtatapos ng first 24 minutes of play. At ang totoo niya, parang pang New Year itong ating laro.
Hindi sumasabog.
With tempers exploding. Ayan po si Ginoong Miguel Molina, ang ating national swimming hero.
He was flanked by members of the 25 greatest players of the PBA, but he was the